Hi Kutis, very good morning to everyone. Okay, this is UKG science class. Okay, today we are going to learn about parts of your plant. Today we are going to learn about parts of a plant. Okay, plant mean what, children? Plant mean shady. Okay, plant mean ஒரு வகையான shady. Okay, what is the parts of your plant? Parts mean பாகம். Parts mean பாகம், அதாவது நம்ம பார்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் பாடியில் எப்படி இருக்குமோ, இப்போ எப்படி ஐஸ், நோஸ், இயர்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த பிளான்ட்டுக்கும் பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே, we see many types of plant. We are see many types of plants in around us. Okay children, they give us food, vegetables and flowers, etc, etc. Okay, next one, plants need water, air and one more one, sunlight. Okay, plants need water, air and one more than sunlight. Okay, அதாவது ஒரு செடி வளரணும்னா எப்படி என்னென்ன நம்ம அதுக்கு தேவைப்படும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, ஒரு செடி வளர்றதுக்கு வாட்டர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், மெயின் திங்ஸ் வாட்டர், நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் air, next one is sunlight. அதாவது அந்த சூரிய ஒளி பட்டா மட்டும்தான் ஒரு செடி நல்லா growth ஆக முடியும். சரிங்களா? ஒரு செடி வளர்றதுக்கு என்னென்ன தேவை? Plants need water, air and sunlight. Okay children? Okay, already you saw that many types of plant in around us. Okay children, உங்களோட கார்டன்ல அதாவது உங்க வீட்டு தோட்டத்துல நிறைய செடி வச்சிருப்பீங்க. அதுல வந்து ரோஸ் ஒரு டைப் ஆஃப் இருக்கும், அதாவது ரோஸ் பிளான்ட், ஜாஸ்மின் பிளான்ட், இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் பிளான்ட்ஸ் வச்சிருப்பீங்க. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? ஓகே, இதுல வந்து பிளான்ட்ஸ் கிவ் flowers, vegetables and fruit sometimes. Okay children, some of the plants, flowers, vegetables and one more, fruits. Do you like fruits? Very good. Okay, shall we draw the one plant? Okay. Okay, this is what is this? Stem. This is roots. This is branches. What is this? Branches. What are these? Branches. Branches mean what, children? கிளைகள். What is this? What are these? These are roots. These are roots. Next one is, what is this? One straight line. What is this? Stem. Very good. What are these? These are branches. These are branches. Okay. Next one is leaves. Next one is leaves. Next one is leaves. Leaves. Okay children? Okay, don't shout there. Very good children. What are these children? These are roots. What is this? This is stem. Stem is backbone of the plant. Stem is backbone of the plant. Okay children, this is the pods. Okay, next one is branches. Next one is branches. Next one is leaves. Okay, next one is buds. Buds mean மொக்கு. மொக்குன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லைங்களா? Okay, next one is flowers. Next one is flowers. Okay, this is the flowers. This what is this? This is flowers. Okay, children. Okay, next one is fruit. Next one is fruit. Okay. Next one is fruit. அதாவது இந்த fruit எங்க இருந்து வரும்னா முதல் roots, stem, leaves, buds, flowers. Flowersல இருந்து தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Fruits கிடைக்கும். சரிங்களா? flowers இருந்து தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Fruits கிடைக்கும். முதல் மொக்கு வச்சிடும். மொக்கு வச்சதுக்கு அடுத்து petals open ஆகும். petals open ஆகா flowers வந்துரும். இந்த flowersல இருந்து தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Fruits கிடைக்கும். இந்த flowersல இருந்து தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Fruits கிடைக்கும். Okay children? Do you like flowers? Very good. Do you like? Yes. I also like. Okay. இந்த flowersல இருந்து தான் நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Fruits கிடைக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? Okay children. One more again. Repeat. What are these children? I will write some names. What are these children? These are roots. These are root. R-O-O-T. These are root. Very good. Okay. Next one is what is this children? What is this? This is stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Okay, next one is what are these children? These are leaves. These are leaves. Okay children. Okay, next one is what is this? Bud. Bud means mottu. Okay, next one is what are these children? What are these? What are these? These are flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Okay, இந்த flowerல இருந்து நமக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிரும் கடைசியா? Fruits கிடைச்சிரும். Okay. Here fruits. Okay. What is this? This is a plant. What is this? This is a plant. Parts of your plant. Here many parts are here. Listen. Root, stem, leaf, buds, flowers. Here branches. Here branches. Branches mean what children? Kilaygal. Branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Branches mean what children? Kilaygal. Okay. Now I will show one plant. Okay children. Now I will show one plant. Okay. Look at the picture. Sorry. Okay. Listen all of you. Okay children. Look at the picture. Very good. What is this? What are these? These are roots. Very good. What are these? These are roots. Very good. Next one is here. Look at the board. Sorry. Look at the plant. Here. Look at me. What is this children? This is a stem. This is a stem. Okay, next one is branches. Next one is here many branches in the plant. Here many branches in the plant. Okay, next one is leaves. Many leaves. Here many leaves. Okay, next one is what is this children? Look, mind you paranga. This is a flower. What is this? Flower. What is this? Flower. Okay children. Okay, now I will ask for one questions. Okay, who will stand up now? Very good. Tarun, stand up please. Very good. What are these, children? What are these, Tarun? What are these? Root. Root mean what? Where? Can you see the roots? Good. Okay. Root. Okay. Next one is stand up, please. Abhi, stand up. Okay, Abhi. What is this, Abhi? In my hand. What is this? One of the plant. Plant mean what, children? Chedi. Plant mean what? Chedi. Very good. Here, what is this? Flowers. What is this? Flowers. Okay, children, do you understand the plant? Yes, do you understand the parts of your plant? Okay, today class is over. Thank you. Meet again.